Here's a look at one of these bunion cushions applied to my skin. So you just gotta peel off. Step one is to peel off this piece right here, and that exposes this adhesiveness right here. And so you'll just press that down over your bunion onto your skin. And it actually has kind of like a nice cooling feel to it. And then you got this piece right here. So you can just peel that blue piece off. And then step two is to peel off this top piece. And right in the center, it has a split. So it makes it really nice and easy to just peel that off right there. Just like that. And then when you want to completely remove it from your skin, comes up nice and easy. It's not painful. It's not pulling any of my hair out or anything like that. So should work really well. It has this nice little, these four pieces right here have cushion in them, like a nice little gel type feeling, which feels really nice. So quality product right here. I think you'll be happy with it.